Kumbajulong man laus nem, bat daka thong ban kentiu ya kikam sport apo katany. Nakaliang ka Khasi Student Union, Bornehat Circle, kalapelong ya ka matchaprang inter-school football tournament, ya ka balapan hap perdano, hakas ngithoding ka baladem. Hakani kalumpung ilakai football jong ka KSU, lawan bani simenta haduk khatsan teli ki school, nakabentak ki senrang, bat khalai teli jong ki kentei. Ya kani kalumpung ilakai, lawan berpenhap perdano, dauba Lambok Star, well marngar, Presiden Rangba jong ka KSU sengkemi, Ubalai Shimi ka benta kumu kongsan hakajing edon langru dau samla Ferdinand K Karkamni Presiden ka KSU North Casales District kum usembut kongsan uba Kendrowell lapang rangba snong jong ka khanyomer lembar kiwe kinong ilam jong ka KSU bat kum juru kirangba jong ka snong hakani ka sngi balapan hap perdano yakani kelempung nakaliang kisenrang ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School kalayora ekanam ladu da ka bapelim ya ka Saint Saviour Secondary School da sauko lanot katba nakaliang kiskentei ka Umling Secondary School kalayora ya ka nam ladu da ka bapelim ya ka Don Bosco Higher Secondary School hakajing shoot ya ka tie breaker la samru yaki kusnam syaki kunhun nongjom badru yaki kusnam shimet ki bakuntum ya ka best player jong kisenrang balayora dau John Robert Doloy na Don Bosco Higher Secondary School top scorer Gerald L Nonglai na Don Bosco Higher Secondary School best goalkeeper David Nongshli na Umling Secondary School player of the match Shining Star Sim na Don Bosco Higher Secondary School but yaka discipline team layora da karang skona secondary school katba hakaliang kikintei nakaliang ka best player layora da ka Evangel Manar na Umling Secondary School top scorer ka Teresa Tongpa Saint Saviour Secondary School best goalkeeper Napisa Sengkli Umling Secondary School player of the match Deborah Xiar na Don Bosco Higher Secondary School katba ka discipline team pan layora da ka piling kata secondary school